Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Healing Traditions, where we believe that nature knows best. If you've ever struggled with strict diets, calorie counting, or exhausting workouts, take a deep breath. What if I told you that you can help your body lose weight naturally, just by choosing the right vegetables? In this video, we'll explore 7 amazing vegetables that not only support weight loss, but also improve your overall well-being. These are time-tested foods, simple, affordable, and full of healing power. Let's begin this journey into natural slimming, one bite at a time. Before we dive into the list, let's remember, weight loss isn't just about appearance, it's about how you feel in your body. Light, energetic, balanced, and vegetables are among the most ancient, gentle healers we can turn to. They work with your body, not against it, helping you cleanse, restore, and renew from the inside out. Now here are the 7 vegetables your body will thank you for. Are 1. Cucumbers, the natural cleanser. Think of cucumbers as nature's internal shower. They're made of over 95% water, which means they help flush out toxins, reduce puffiness, and hydrate every cell in your body. They also contain silica, a compound that helps strengthen connective tissues and support glowing skin. How to use: slice them into lemon water, add to fresh salads, or eat with a sprinkle of sea salt. Great for a light evening snack. Are 2. Cabbage, the belly flattening fiber boost. From sauerkraut to fresh coleslaw, cabbage has long been used to support digestion. It's full of insoluble fiber, which acts like a gentle broom in your intestines, sweeping out waste and speeding up your metabolism. Plus, cabbage contains antioxidants that fight inflammation, a hidden enemy of weight loss. Tip: make a cabbage soup with garlic and turmeric for a detoxifying meal that keeps you full for hours. Are 3. Zucchini, the silent hero. Light, versatile, and easy to digest zucchini may not scream superfood, but it works quietly and powerfully. Rich in potassium, it helps balance sodium levels and reduce bloating. And because it's so low in calories, you can enjoy generous portions without worry. Try this: grill slices with herbs, bake into veggie lasagna, or spiralize into zoodles for a pasta alternative. Are 4. Bell peppers, the fat-burning color explosion. Brightly colored bell peppers are more than just beautiful. They're loaded with vitamin C, which helps the body burn fat more efficiently. They also contain capsaicin, a compound that slightly raises body temperature, helping you burn a few extra calories naturally. Fun idea: stuff red bell peppers with quinoa and herbs for a satisfying, slimming lunch. Are 5. Beets, the liver's best friend. Your liver is your main fat processing organ, and it loves beets. Beets are rich in betalains, pigments that help detoxify and reduce inflammation. They also support blood flow and energy, which can be especially helpful when you're feeling sluggish during weight loss. Reminder: raw beet juice is powerful. Start with small amounts and mix with carrot or apple juice. Are 6. Celery, the crunch that burns calories. It's often said that celery is a negative calorie food, and while that's not scientifically proven, it is true that celery is incredibly low in calories and full of water and fiber. Plus, the act of chewing helps signal to the brain that you're eating, great for controlling cravings. Snack tip: dip celery sticks in hummus, or add to green smoothies with cucumber and lemon. Are 7. Leafy greens, nature's weight loss multivitamin. Spinach, parsley, arugula, dill, lettuce, these greens are nutrient-dense, alkalizing, and absolutely essential. They're rich in chlorophyll, which helps cleanse the blood and boost energy. And the magnesium found in leafy greens can help regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that causes fat storage. Best way to eat: daily green salads with olive oil and lemon. You can also blend them into smoothies or sprinkle chopped greens on every meal. Arizer, beyond the plate, how to boost results naturally. Eating the right vegetables is just the beginning. To truly support your body's natural weight loss rhythm, try these time-honored holistic tips. 1. Eat slowly and with gratitude. When we eat mindfully, we digest better, absorb more nutrients, and feel full sooner. 2. Follow the sun. Have your largest meals during the day when your digestive fire is strongest, and keep dinner light. 3. Move gently every day. A walk after meals, light stretching, or gardening can help the body process food more effectively. Vegetables and your health. Why they're essential in your daily diet. Vegetables aren't just food, they are living energy from nature, nourishing us, cleansing our system, and helping the body to restore itself. In traditional medicine, plant-based foods were believed to tune the body for self-healing. That's why vegetables should be part of our meals every single day. 1. Immune support. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, vegetables strengthen the immune system, helping to fight off viruses and reduce inflammation. Carrots, broccoli, bell peppers, and cabbage are especially beneficial. 2. Gut health. Vegetables are full of fiber, nature's broom for the digestive system. Fiber cleanses the intestines, promotes regular bowel movements, and supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria. 3. Heart and blood vessel protection. Leafy greens, beets, garlic, and onions help reduce cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and improve blood quality, lowering the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 4. Liver support. Vegetables like beets, artichokes, leafy greens, and pumpkins stimulate bile production, detoxify the liver, and assist the body in eliminating harmful substances. 5. Glowing skin and youthfulness. The antioxidants found in vegetables fight free radicals, the main culprits of premature aging. Regular consumption helps maintain clear, radiant skin and a youthful appearance. So friends, vegetables are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial. They can become your best allies on the path to a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Start adding more of these wonderful gifts from nature to your diet, and your body will thank you. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the power of vegetables, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel Healing Traditions to make sure you don't miss new episodes where we uncover the secrets of natural health and traditional medicine. Leave a comment telling us which vegetables help you feel better or what other healthy foods you'd like to learn more about. Take care, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.